Good morning, Sushi. We're here trying to get some sushi boats on a break. Well, let's just try to get one. One is always a good goal. You set the goal to 5, you could be sitting here for a while. Been trying to work on X and some of those build strategies, but it is matchup dependent. But I suppose that's the next step in getting better at this. Who am I playing? Oh, Blanca. Okay, so against Blanca, we can try it. We can try to bookmark our yellows and greens and see where we go. Neither. Alright, we finally got a green. Wow, this is kind of laggy today. Alright. So we're going to try to bookmark our yellows and greens. Oh, man. That stinks. Here, we're going to have to break that down. It's kind of sad. That could be bad. Alright. So we're still trying to bookmark. We don't want to take out that red. There we go. Let's just take out the greens. Okay, we need... Perfect. Boom. So we broke the bookmark yellows there. As you can see, Blanca is still very much alive because he is just so tanky. And there we go. Oh, oops, we shouldn't have done that because that could have chained into a... Oh boy. We are now... Yes. Break. Yes, we broke him down. So the big bookmark dropped some yellows and reds on him, and I think that probably threw him off enough. We also delayed him a little bit. He had a lot of greens at the end there. But the bookmarking seemed to work well against him. He didn't get to drop too much on us. Dan. And Devil Lot cards. Oh yeah, I picked up Devil Lot like a few days ago. Haven't leveled her at all. Don't know what she plays like. Alright, look at that. We're in 2700. Dan is in 2500. Playing Phoenix Wright. Let's go, Dan. Alright, thanks for watching.